I want to just tell you that our foundation is involved with this initiative primarily because of our interest in helping this region recruit and train more healthcare providers.
On behalf of the Hogg Foundation, I am very honored to be here to celebrate this exciting partnership. The Hogg Foundation launched the Texas Psychology Internship Initiative in the spring of 2011 to alleviate mental health workforce shortages in Texas, as well as to increase the availability of mental health services to underserved Texas communities. Now, the announcement today is part of that initiative. The Hogg Foundation believes that the education and training of mental health professionals in Texas is an effective way to improve access to quality mental health services for all, leading to recovery and wellness for Texans who are dealing with mental health issues. Now, with the addition of the El Paso Consortium, the Foundation is awarding nearly $2.2 million to this initiative. So I just wanted to give you that to put it in context of what the Hogg Foundation want to do for the state of Texas, but more importantly, why we think it is so important for El Paso. So when you put the 4 internship programs together, we're funding the training of 62 students over 5 years and creating 19 new internship positions. This is actually quite significant when you look at the fact of the workforce issues affecting the state of Texas, as well as the deficit that we have when it comes to psychology internship sites in this great state of ours. This partnership and consortium is an example, I believe, of how when we work together, truly the whole is much more important than the individual parts and partners. The El Paso Psychology Internship Consortium will help to address workforce shortages. It will help to be an example to the rest of Texas, and I believe to the entire nation, as an exemplar of how we can work together to address our issues. But more importantly, it will help to promote mental health for the El Paso region. Because it's really about our community, it's about individuals, it's about families, and this is what we're actually addressing today. I want to thank you.
This important project will help future generations of children and youth and families, bringing young, highly qualified mental health professionals to the border region from some of the best graduate programs in the country, including our own.
As many of you know, the El Paso area suffers from a severe shortage of healthcare providers, and mental health professionals are in particularly short supply. Doctorally prepared Texas licensed psychological service providers total 38 in El Paso, compared with 489 in Austin, 297 in San Antonio. And so the importance of a program like this can't be overstated, I think. There's also no accredited internship training programs locally that could correct this situation up until today. We think that UTEP is especially well positioned to serve as a host for the El Paso Psychology Internship Program. Having quickly earned a national reputation for research competitiveness, UTEP is the only research doctoral university in the United States with a majority Mexican-American student population. We're fully committed to contributing to the prosperity and the quality of life of this Paso del Norte region by expanding educational opportunities, particularly at the postgraduate level. And the El Paso Psychology Internship Consortium is a prime example of such efforts. The consortium will comprise a diverse range of education, training, and supervision opportunities for interns. We expect the program to attract highly competitive advanced doctoral students from outstanding programs across the United States. The diversity of training sites and the unique cultural and linguistic context that they offer will prepare these interns to serve our region when they graduate as newly licensed psychologists. Even better, we also expect that this program will offer an opportunity for UTEP graduates who have left El Paso to pursue doctoral programs in professional psychology to return here to finish their training through an internship and then to dedicate their talents and professional education to serving their own community as licensed psychologists. I can't think of anything better than that.
Not only will the faculty, our children, and careers be established by this consortium, but patients will be served. Patients will be served, attended to, in a manner that has heretofore not been available. And so, whether it's the patients, the careers, or the faculty, this consortium will serve a myriad group of El Pasoans, first and foremost.
As you may know, William Beaumont Army Medical Center is a 145-bed academic medical center located in northeast El Paso. We provide primary, specialty, ancillary, emergency, level 3 trauma, and inpatient services to more than 72,000 TRICARE Prime enrollees. Co-located with the El Paso Veterans Affairs Healthcare Clinic, William Beaumont employs more than 3,500 healthcare, administrative, and professionals. Those healthcare professionals, among them, is the talented and caring staff of the Department of Behavioral Health. Our behavioral health team provides a full range of services for our beneficiaries, including evaluation and treatment at 4 outpatient clinics, as well as inpatient psychiatric care. Our Department of Behavioral Health is aggressively implementing the Army's embedded behavioral health initiative. That is, the placement of providers in unit areas to increase access to care, improve understanding of unit stressors, enhance continuity of behavioral health care, improve communication between the patient, the provider, and unit leaders, and reduce any stigma associated with seeking out behavioral health. We also operate one of the largest inpatient psychiatric services in the Army, with 28 inpatient beds, and we are currently staffed to support 21 of those beds. When behavioral health demand exceeds our capacity, soldiers and family members are referred to the local network or to other treatment facilities. Every day, we at William Beaumont have the high honor and privilege to serve the 32,000 active duty service members, their families, our retirees, and veterans. For 237 years, the Army Medical Department has stood shoulder to shoulder with the force to maintain, restore, and improve health. With a legacy of excellence that dates back more than 90 years, the William Beaumont Healthcare Team continues to flawlessly execute the mission of healthcare delivery here. This collaborative internship program will be a rich new chapter in that mission. It expands our community and academic partnership, and it will greatly enhance healthcare support to both Team Bliss and the greater El Paso community. Thank you for the opportunity to highlight William Beaumont and some of our behavioral health programs for the treatment of America's greatest treasure, our servicemen and women, their families, and our veterans. Thank you to the Hoag Foundation and El Paso del Norte for your leadership in making this consortium a reality. Thank you very much.